Hey everybody, I'm Brendan, and in this video, I'll show you everything that comes in a Brainspring Structures course kit. So let's start with the sand tray. Next up, the keyword stickers, the syllabication cards, the red word screen, a pad of red word paper, some index cards, the strategy cards, a spiral notepad, the consumable pack, and this has an orange folder included in there, a bag for your sand tray, a whiteboard answer board, a pair of scissors, a bag of Brainspring's half-pound magic sand, a goodie bag with 2 red crayons and other items you'll need, and a Structures classroom card pack. Put that right on top. All right, now you'll also get a blending board. And this will be shipped separately. All right, so now that we've got everything here, let's put it in the bag. We'll grab our tote bag and we'll load it up. Just like that. All right, now there's one last thing we got to put in there, and that's a welcome card, thanking you and welcoming you to the Brainspring community. So let's put that right in there. All right, now that's everything that'll come in your shipment. You'll also get access to our digital library, where you'll find all of your course publications, access to our members area, where you'll find hundreds of resources to use with your students, and a 1-year access pass to our course review, a valuable refresher that'll help you stay sharp in the classroom. All right, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Structures course.